I decided that I needed a new tripod. So I went to Amazon. This was the best one I found. Now, I like it. I'm going to tell you all about the revealing of this one, so tune in. Welcome back to my channel, guys. You know it's your girl Kamisha Warm Heart, and I'm here with another video. Now with today's video, I will be revealing, or I should say unboxing, my new tripod. So I actually collect this today, so I must say big up to my what should I say, big up to my shipping company. Yeah, oh my god, big up to my shipping company. So I just start with a little one for now to see. So let's go in. So I'm just pulling this. Oh, let me get the scissors here. So let's go right into this. I hope everyone is okay. I'm doing fine. The time is actually hot here. So for those who don't have any AC, I hope the fan is running hot. So I'm almost through. So let's go. Alrighty, so here goes. It's in a big box, but it's so small. So let's go. Here we go. So I'm starting with a small one for now. For the one out there who like to donate a big one to me, I'm accepting it. Yeah. I'm accepting the gift. I'm actually thank you all the guys that is actually keep supporting me. To my subscribers, thank you so much. I love and appreciate you all. So here it is. And it's pink. And it has the remote in it. And all these setup things. And all these things. Yeah. And then it comes with a little note how to set it up. So I'm gonna go right into this and stuff. Oh my god, it's so red. So it's called Photo Care using filming videos text. Wow, this is a good one. So guys, I'm just pulling out it. Try to set it up. I'm not so certain, but let us see what's happening. Let us see. What's happening. Putting all the products together. I wanna. So this is supposed to be here, and then this part. Oh my lord, guys! I have to read all this before I can put it together. Or, you know, good girl, I have to ask her spouse to do it. Good girl, no know them something here. Not at all. I have to sort out. Woo. So the battery is in it, so I don't have to get a battery, and it's blinking, guys. Woo. So it's blinking. Oh, off and on. So I only see two papers in here, and on the paper I'm not seeing where to put it together. Say thanks, love and thanks. So guys, I'm gonna get someone to put it together for me. I really and truly understand it. So I'm going to do what I got to do. So this thing here, you put the phone in it and it go. Could it get sit here? Sit here, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching me with this. I'm gonna put it together and get right back. So watch out. So guys, welcome back. So I actually set it up here. I read the paper, yes, and I set it up. So in here, I'm gonna put my phone because I record from my phone, and it's all set. Then you know, yes, I actually like this. Love it, and I'm going to be recording from here. Alright, this is actually if I have a camera and I can use this. You'll see that I'm using my phone. Then you can do that. So I set it up here. Here's my camera with my remote here.